I am open to the gentle flow of healing energy that guides me towards well-being. My thoughts are powerful tools, and I choose to cultivate those that nurture my spirit. I release any past hurts, knowing they no longer define me. My body is a sacred temple, and I treat it with love and respect. I am worthy of receiving all the goodness life has to offer. I trust the wisdom within me to guide me on my path. Every day I am becoming more and more aligned with my highest self. I am grateful for the lessons learned, as they have shaped the resilient person I am today. My heart is open to giving and receiving love unconditionally. I am capable of achieving anything I set my mind to. I forgive myself for any past mistakes and release them with love. My inner peace is a sanctuary that I can always return to. I am a magnet for positive experiences and joyful encounters. My self-worth is not dependent on external validation. I choose to see the beauty in myself and in the world around me. I am guided by a higher power that supports me in all my endeavors. My potential is limitless, and I am excited to explore it. I release any fear that holds me back from living my best life. My body is constantly renewing itself, and I am filled with vibrant energy. I am deserving of abundance in all areas of my life. My mind is a fertile garden where positive thoughts flourish. I am willing to let go of old patterns that no longer serve me. My heart is filled with compassion for myself and others. I celebrate my unique gifts and talents. I am open to receiving unexpected blessings. My intuition is a powerful compass that guides me towards my true north. I am becoming more confident in my ability to navigate life's challenges. I release any resentment and choose to focus on forgiveness and understanding. My soul is radiant and my light shines brightly. I am worthy of deep and meaningful connections with others. My mind is clear, focused, and capable of great things, and I am constantly learning and growing, and I accept the journey. My heart is overflowing with gratitude for the many blessings in my life. I celebrate my successes, big and small. I am open to new opportunities that align with my purpose. My intuition is my superpower, and I trust its guidance implicitly. I am resilient, and I have the strength to overcome any obstacles. I forgive those who have hurt me, knowing it frees me from the past. My soul is a wellspring of creativity and inspiration. I am loved beyond measure. My mind is a peaceful haven where I find solace and clarity. I am constantly evolving into the best version of myself. My heart is filled with joy and appreciation for the present moment. I am proud of the progress I have made on my journey. I am open to the infinite possibilities that the universe holds. My intuition is a wise counsel that whispers truth to me. I am adaptable, and I can thrive in any circumstance. I release any guilt or shame that weighs me down. My soul is connected to all living beings, and we are one. I am cherished for my authentic self. My past experiences have shaped my strength, and I am grateful for my journey. I am worthy of love just as I am in this moment. My mind is filled with creative ideas and innovative solutions. I am willing to release old beliefs that limit my potential. My heart is a wellspring of compassion, kindness, and understanding. I celebrate my individuality and the unique perspective I bring to the world. I am open to unexpected detours, knowing they may lead to greater destinations. My intuition is my inner GPS, guiding me towards joy and fulfillment. I am capable of creating a life filled with love, joy, and abundance. I forgive myself and others, freeing myself from the burden of resentment. My soul is a beacon of hope, radiating positivity wherever I go. I am enough just as I am. My mind is a sanctuary of peace where I find solace and clarity. I am committed to my personal growth and evolution. My heart is filled with love and appreciation for the simple things in life. I celebrate my accomplishments and acknowledge my own resilience. I am open to receiving guidance and support from the universe. My intuition is a trusted ally, whispering wisdom in my ear. I am empowered to make positive changes in my life. I release any judgments I hold against myself or others. My soul is a vibrant tapestry of experiences woven together with love. I am worthy of receiving all the love and abundance the universe has to offer. My mind is a clear channel for divine inspiration. I am constantly discovering new facets of my personality and strengths. My heart is a source of warmth and generosity, radiating love to those around me. I am proud of the challenges I've overcome and the lessons I've learned. I am open to the magic and mystery of life, and I accept the unknown. My intuition is my most trusted advisor, leading me towards my true path. I am capable of transforming my dreams into reality. I release any anger or frustration, choosing peace and tranquility instead. My soul is a melody of love, joy, and gratitude. I am a gift to the world, and I share my unique talents freely. My mind is a canvas where I paint my dreams and aspirations. I am continually evolving and becoming a better version of myself. My heart is a garden where seeds of love, joy, and compassion blossom. I celebrate the journey, knowing that every step brings me closer to my goals. I am open to receiving the abundance that is my birthright. My intuition is a guiding light, illuminating my path and showing me the way. I am a co-creator of my reality, and I choose to create a life I love. I release any negativity, choosing to focus on positivity and gratitude. My soul is a reflection of the divine, and I am connected to all that is. I am worthy of happiness, health, and prosperity. My mind is a wellspring of wisdom and understanding. I am continually evolving and expanding my consciousness. My heart radiates warmth, compassion, and acceptance to all I encounter. I celebrate every step of my journey, even the missteps and challenges. I am a magnet for miracles and synchronicities. My intuition is a gentle guide, leading me towards my highest good. I am empowered to make choices that honor my authentic self. I release any regrets, knowing that everything has led me to this moment. My soul is a source of infinite love, joy, and gratitude. I am worthy of receiving all the blessings that life has to offer. My mind is a fertile ground for new ideas and possibilities. I am constantly learning and growing, accepting the beauty of change. My heart is a sanctuary of love where I find peace and comfort. I celebrate my resilience and ability to bounce back from adversity. I am open to the unexpected gifts that the universe brings my way. My intuition is a compass that always points me in the right direction. I am committed to living a life filled with purpose and passion. I release any self-doubt and accept my inherent worthiness. My soul is a radiant light shining brightly for all to see. I am worthy of receiving all that I desire. My mind is a peaceful oasis where I find clarity and tranquility. I am constantly uncovering new layers of my potential. My heart is filled with unconditional love for myself and others. I celebrate the journey, knowing that every experience is a valuable lesson. I am open to receiving the abundance that the universe has in store for me. My intuition is a powerful tool that helps me make wise choices. I am committed to creating a life that is aligned with my values. I release any negative self-talk and replace it with positive affirmations. My soul is a masterpiece, unique and beautiful in every way. I am worthy of receiving all the love and joy that life has to offer. My mind is a treasure trove of creativity and imagination. I am constantly learning and growing, expanding my horizons. My heart is filled with gratitude for the many blessings in my life. I celebrate the present moment, knowing it is a precious gift. I am open to receiving guidance and support from the universe. My intuition is a wise counsel that helps me navigate life's challenges. I am committed to living a life that is authentic and true to myself. I release any limiting beliefs that hold me back from greatness. My soul is a source of endless inspiration and creativity. I am worthy of achieving my dreams and living a fulfilling life. My mind is a powerful tool that I can use to create a life of abundance and joy. I am continually expanding my knowledge and understanding of the world. My heart is a beacon of hope, illuminating the path for others. I celebrate my unique journey, knowing that there is no one else like me. I am a magnet for positive energy and uplifting experiences. My intuition is a gentle nudge guiding me towards my true purpose. I am committed to living a life that is in alignment with my values and beliefs. I release any fear of the unknown, accepting the adventure of life. My soul is a radiant light shining brightly even in the darkest of times. I am worthy of receiving all the love, joy, and abundance that life has to offer. My mind is a canvas for creativity and innovation. I am constantly growing and evolving, becoming the best version of myself. My heart is filled with compassion and empathy for all living beings. I celebrate the beauty of diversity and the uniqueness of each individual. I am a magnet for opportunities that align with my passions and interests. My intuition is a whisper of truth, guiding me towards clarity and understanding. I am committed to making a positive impact on the world around me. I release any doubts and fears, trusting in the infinite wisdom of the universe. My soul is a source of boundless energy and vitality. I am worthy of receiving all the gifts that life has to offer. My mind is a sacred space where I find peace and tranquility. I am constantly learning new skills and developing my talents. My heart is overflowing with gratitude for the abundance in my life. I celebrate my individuality and express myself authentically. I am a magnet for financial abundance and prosperity. My intuition is a divine spark guiding me towards my highest potential. I am committed to using my gifts and talents to serve others. I release any negative thoughts and emotions, choosing love and positivity. These affirmations serve as a reminder of your inherent worth, strength, and capacity for love. By incorporating them into your daily routine, you invite positive energy and healing into your life. Allow these words to resonate within you, nurturing your mind, body, and spirit. If you enjoyed this collection of affirmations, please like and subscribe for more inspiring content. Feel free to share your thoughts and experiences in the comments below. Your feedback is always appreciated.